In America, we don't ask, "How are you?" expecting an honest answer. We ask it as a greeting, and the standard response, "I'm good, just busy." But busy has become our collective mask for the illusion of calm. We've turned having it all together into a competitive sport. We post our aesthetic morning routines on TikTok, while our internal world is a Category 5 hurricane. If you feel like you're performing a role 24/7, you're not disciplined. You're experiencing a psychological burnout that's invisible to everyone, including yourself. Why are we so obsessed with this illusion? In the US, our worth is often tied to our output. If you show stress in a corporate meeting in Manhattan or Palo Alto, you're unreliable. If you show struggle on Instagram, you're vibe killing. This creates what psychologists call the duck syndrome. On the surface of the Ivy League or the corporate ladder, you're gliding. Beneath the water, you're kicking until your muscles tear. When we suppress emotions to stay professional, we trigger cognitive dissonance. Your brain knows you're exhausted, but your behavior says you're fine. This conflict drains more energy than the actual work you're doing. This is the trap of high-functioning anxiety. Unlike typical anxiety that might paralyze you, this version propels you. It's the engine behind your 80-hour work week and your perfectly curated home. Scientific fact: when Americans fake it till they make it, their cortisol levels stay elevated for 40% longer than those who acknowledge their stress. You aren't handling it. You're just marinating your internal organs in stress hormones. This leads to what doctors call unexplained fatigue, jaw tension, and that tired but wired feeling at 2 a.m. We need to break the cycle. Here's your protocol to shift from an illusion to actual resilience. First, kill the busy badge. Next time someone asks how you are, stop saying busy. Say, "I'm navigating a lot right now," or "I'm focused on a few big things." Changing the language removes the hustle pressure and validates your effort. Second, the 3-minute unravel. After your last Zoom call or when you get home, sit in your car for 3 minutes. Don't check your phone. Let your face go completely slack. Drop your shoulders. Give your brain permission to stop the performance before you enter your home life. Third, somatic grounding. When the illusion feels like it's cracking, find 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you hear, 2 you smell, and 1 thing you're grateful for that isn't a work achievement. In a world obsessed with the grind, the most rebellious thing you can do is be honest about your exhaustion. Real calm isn't the absence of storm. It's the ability to admit you're in one. The world doesn't need you to be perfect. It needs you to be present. And you can't be present if you're spending all your energy maintaining a mask. If you're tired of the performance, you're in the right place. Subscribe to help us unmask the reality of the modern mind. Take a breath, a real one this time. You're doing better than you think.